Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my FabFitFun unboxing. I recently just subscribed to FabFitFun and I thought it was a nice treat for myself, and so I got my first box in the mail. It's the spring box with all of my additional picks and skincare and things like that. So if you like this FabFitFun unboxing or unboxings in general, then please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below so I know to keep doing them if you want to see the next 3 boxes that come. And yes, so that's about it. Let's just get on into it. Okay, so the first item that we have when you open it up is the magazine or the newspaper. So this kind of goes through, there's some articles in here, it talks about skincare products and what's in here. There's also some discount codes and things like that, so that's always cool to look through. The first item is this Rachel Pally clutch, and I decided to actually pick the turquoise one with this really cool pattern on the inside, and I think it's super cute. You can actually fold it the opposite way if you want the pattern to show a little bit more, so I thought that was really cute, and it's really sturdy, really good fabric. I think it's really adorable, so I picked up this one. You had a choice between 2 or 3, I believe, so I picked this one. The next one is actually this massage roller for relief, so you can actually roll it on your legs or your arms or your back or wherever it is, and it will get all of the it'll help to massage out your sore muscles and things like that, so it's really handy. I don't have one of these, so I like it a lot, and I think it feels pretty cool, so that's good. What else is next? So next I have this pair of earrings, and I'm gonna open them up. I think there was an option between the pink ones and the black ones, I believe. They were black, so they're a little bit flat from being in the package, but they're these super cute tassel earrings. They're really, really light too, which I like. I don't like earrings that are heavy on your ears, so I think these are going to be adorable, and I picked the pink because I thought it went really well with the clutch. So they're 2 tones of pink, gold hardware, and then yeah, so I think they're going to be adorable with your hair up or down. It really could be paired with anything. So these little tassel earrings. Next in here we have this concealing bridge feeler for your nails. So apparently it's supposed to help them grow, they strengthen, weaken brittle, they treat acrylic or gel damaged nails. So I used to have that dip powder on my nails, and I decided to get them off to help my nails a little bit. So I'm really excited for this because there are definitely some damages that have happened to my nails since then. So I'm going to be putting this on, and it's cruelty free, which is pretty cool. So that's always a good sign. So I think it's just like a nude. Yeah, it's just like this pinky nude color, and I think it goes on 1 to 2 coats on natural nails as treated or under polish as a base coat. So you can put it by itself or you can put it as a base coat, which is nice. And then on the inside it actually says there's a 20% off coupon for Dermalect purchases. So you just bring the box and there's a coupon on the inside. So that's cool. You can actually purchase it at Ulta, which I did not know about. So next I have one of the coolest things, which is one of the reasons why I decided to get this palette, which is the Ish palette, a lip statement palette. And on the back it says, with these nudes and pops of color, your lips will create a statement. These 11 intensely pigmented shades are enriched with rose extract, shea butter, jojoba oil, olive oil, and aloe vera for extra moisture and easy wear. Mix any shades to create infinite combinations of lip colors customized by you, and then add the tinted lip topper for a hint of sheen and a touch of added moisture. It's paraben-free, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. So on the inside, let me just open it up because it's always so much better. So it comes with this, not the most satisfying feeling ever, is just peeling off this plastic. So it comes with the 11 shades and then one, the topper. Holy moly, look at those colors. They're so nice. I think this is the perfect lip palette to bring with you when you travel. You wouldn't need to bring any other lip colors because you've got your bolds, your pinks, your nudes, you've got everything. Let me just see what they swatch like. So this one is the second one from the top. Oh, so pretty. and they're really smooth. Let's try this one. So there are 3 shades. I think they apply really nicely. Let's add the topper to one of them. So the topper is actually the first one in the palette, and then if I just add it to the top, let's do it to this one. Oh, so I don't know if you can see, but it adds a nice little sheen to the top of it when I just dab it in. That's really pretty, and it comes with a lip brush, so it's really easy to apply, and you can use your finger. I've seen people use their fingers all the time, so it's definitely doable, but it does come with a brush if you're, say, doing someone else's makeup, or you could use a brush for yourself and your finger for someone else, that kind of thing. So I love this, and this mirror is perfect. It's nice and big, so you can do your makeup in it. Perfect for traveling. I think I may bring this with me when I go on vacation. Okay, so the next item that I got was this KNC Beauty, and this is one of the items that you could go on and pick which one you wanted. I think it was between this or a face mask. So this one comes with 5 different all-natural collagen-infused lip masks. So you basically open the package and put it on your lips. It says apply to clean lips for 15 to 20 minutes, recommended 2 to 3 times a week. So what I like about this is it actually came with more than just one, because a lot of times when you get a sample pack, it just comes with one sheet mask or one mask, and then you don't really get a full sense of what it's like. So these are perfect. I would probably end up exfoliating my lips first before applying this, then it can get rid of all the dry skin on my lips and things like that. So I like this one. So this is the KNC Beauty Collagen Lip Masks. The next one is the number 15 Fresh Linen Anderson Lily Candles. So I took a smell at this one quickly when I opened it, but I picked the Fresh Linen scent because I'm not someone for like really fruity or spicy smells, and I thought this one was really nice. And it looks pretty as well. It smells really good. So I think this is cute, and it's really nice. There's no labels on it, which I like. Not like Bath & Body Works or Yankee Candle where you've got the label all over, and it tells you on the bottom what the scent is, so if you wanted to reorder. The next item is the Free People and Understated Leather Mask, and this is so cool. So I ended up getting the like turquoise with gold and silver stars on it, and inside is this like gel pad, and apparently you're supposed to put this in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes. That's it, no more, and you put it on your eyes and it kind of like cools it down. So if your eyes are puffy or you're really tired and you need something to kind of like brighten yourself up, this is perfect for it. So I'm really looking forward to using this. And if you travel as well and you don't have a face mask, you can use it. I've got one, so this would be more or less like as an at-home treatment. But I love this, and I really like the color too. It kind of fits in with the purse and everything else that I ended up getting in my box. And the last thing is the Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion. So this is the hydrating one. So it says, lightweight oil-free moisturizer provides a shine-free hydration for blemish-prone skin with honey extract, honey extract, a queen of meadow refined skin texture, while arnica soothes for a smoother, healthier looking complexion. So it says massage over face, neck, and chest, follow with a mirrored sunscreen during the day. So this is probably something that you put on in the morning as one of your treatments. But I think I just want to open the box. So my skin can be dry, especially in the winter time and if I'm traveling. So I think this is perfect. They kind of ask you online like what your skin type is. So I was really looking forward to getting this, and as soon as I saw that Murad was in there, I was really excited because I don't have any Murad products, and this is like a full-size product. I think these are like upwards of $40 to $50, so that alone covers the price of the box. Okay, so that's it for my FabFitFun unboxing. I hope you all enjoyed kind of going through. I know I'm a little bit late to the game, but I figured that it was better late than never. So if you enjoy these kind of unboxing videos, this is the only subscription box that I actually have. If you have any suggestions on good subscription boxes, I've tried Ipsy. I've tried a couple for my parents that I've ordered as Christmas gifts, but other than that, I don't really do subscription boxes. So this one's the first one that I've kind of done that I've heard a lot about. So if there's any products or any subscription boxes that you guys would recommend, please let me know in the comments below, or let me know on Instagram, because I'm always looking for new things, and once this FabFitFun one is done, maybe I'll decide to try something new. So hope you all enjoyed it. If you were ever thinking of ordering the FabFitFun box, and I would highly recommend it. It's worth it. Like, you see all the products that we got, and we only had to pay like a small amount. So please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!